Okay, coming to furnitures, basically furniture is made up of, yes, you are right. Furniture is generally, we always connect with the word made up of wood. But post lockdown, the consumer will start preferring furnitures made up of iron and steel rather than, I would say, wood, for a lot of good reasons. So the market is going to be, very big market is going to open for iron and steel furnitures. Okay, wood will drastically will come down. In next few years, there will be a big change. Consumer behavior will change in this particular aspect. Okay, coming to gold. Gold, when I say gold, immediately there will be a smile, because people, everyone, most of the people admire gold. Equivalent to money, I would say more than money, people admire gold. Okay. So coming to consumer behavior point of view, they will continue to buy. Why? Because they know during challenges or crisis, any time of need, gold is one thing which always been useful. When you think about challenges. Otherwise, it's thought as like one of the prosperous thing. So people who are affordable post lockdown, even they are continue to be affordable and able to buy, they will keep investing on gold. That way, it's going to be a good thing. Okay, coming to hospital. When I say hospital, sir, where is the possibility to go to hospital? People said not to go to infected area. So naturally, only one thing which I would say, hospital industry related healthcare, hospital related healthcare industry, hospital related pharma industry, all three are very much interconnected, right? When the situation will improve is that consumer will start going back like before post lockdown. Once the situation comes like, once upon a time coronavirus was there. Once upon a time. Only when that situation come, people will feel relaxed to go, very convenient to go to hospitals or clinics or to any doctors for that matter, medical professionals. Till that time, there would be a hesitation in the mind of all the people, no, better to avoid infections, better to avoid, stay away from virus XYZ. So this would be a setback. But whenever really required and need, yes, people will go for hospitals, but the percentage of people who visit will drastically will come down for next few months. It will take at least close to a year. Okay. And then coming to healthcare and pharma, as I told, it will also very much closely related. It needs time to get back to like earlier situation. Money. When I say money, immediately the word connected is bank and financial institutes. Sir, after lockdown, how about the banks? What will the consumer behavior? People will have a restriction to go for loan. Before lockdown, anything, whatever loan, whatever the name it is given, adjective, house loan, vehicle loan, this loan, that loan, all kind of loan people will avoid. Now, people will have a hesitation. No, better avoid loans. I am talking about post lockdown. Consumer will drastically number of consumers will come down going towards loan because of the, to avoid the situation, no repaying capacity is uncertain, number one. Number two, in the other way, even if people are ready to go and avail for loan, bank will be reluctant whether the people will be repaying or not. So both the side, the situation is not favorable in terms of loan for next few months, I am saying. Okay, coming to banks. Coming to media again a big industry. So big industry, how consumer will act or change towards the media. When I say broader aspects, like online digital media and television will continue to be admired, used by people. Because now sitting in home, what people will do? They cannot go like earlier. Now slowly recovery is, when I am addressing this, there was a slight recovery, people started moving, situation is improving. But it will take at least next few months or close to a year to get back the situation before lockdown. Till the time people will have a station, better avoid going out. Only if required they will go. So staying at home, what media they will be accessible? One is television, one is through internet, that is through online media. So what is there left out? Slowly the print media usage will come down. Earlier, wherever we go, we buy newspaper, magazine, where during travel we love to read basically. But now, where is the traveling? Traveling percentage has reduced, and people going for newspapers and buying print media magazines will naturally come down. So consumer behavior is towards print media. There would be a reduction in using the print media, whatever it is, magazine, papers. Very good jump, increase in usage towards online. People carrying a smartphone, right? Everything they wanted to go through here, got the message. Okay, television equally the people will be admiring it, using it. Okay, this is what generally. Print media, it's not like alarming, sir. Print media, what will happen? It will be there. It will take some more few more time, months to get recovered. That's what I'm saying. Okay, coming to painting and renovation. Sir, you're saying painting and renovation? Yes. Post-lockdown, people who do not have non-AC mode, either it is a mall or a theatre or a corporate buildings, see, people who are doing business, it's a good news for you. There is a big market for renovation. Huh? If you're doing other business, but you have idea in construction and civil work and painting and whatever you can do it, big market. Sir, you are saying big market as a consultant. I am seeing it very, very clearly. Wherever AC is there, people are not ready to use AC buildings now. People are not ready to go to AC mall. Where the business will happen now? Only by converting into non-AC mode. That means what? Now dual operation is required for any building for that matter. People who have even home, they will think, sir, I will have a dual mode. One is AC mode and non-AC mode. So for converting into non-AC mode, lot of renovation work is required. Civil work or designing work is required. So what I am trying to say here is, now people will look on, sir, approach construction company or whoever is good in civil work on contractors, or I would say people who do good renovation work and painting work, they will call, sir, change this hall. I want natural air. See the term? Natural air. I want sunlight to enter in my home. Earlier, they never thought AC is comfortable. Car AC, office AC, home is AC. Now they prefer non-AC because expert says during this virus pandemic situation, they said wherever AC, please avoid. So based on the expert surveys, now they will go for it. So what I mean to say, consumer will now approach the people who are doing renovation and painting, because when they do renovation, change of some kind of civil work, they need painting work. That's what I am using a word, painting, renovation. Architects, all will be, interior designers will be required to change their atmosphere. Okay. Even malls and business centers, wherever the business is happening in retail outlets, by converting into non-AC mode, their business will recover fast. At least people will start coming confidently. That's what I am trying to say. Okay. Music and singing. Music and singing. So what is music and singing? One thing will be ever stay in the world. Ever stay? Yes, music. People relax by music only, right? End of the day, whatever it is, either you are a business or multi-millionaire or low income people or middle income people, men or women, whatever it is, finally people love music. So music field and entertaining and singing, people always admire. So consumer will keep using it. Okay. So there will be good scope, but only thing you need to think out of box now. Okay. Now coming to travel and tour, I want to touch the last two portion. Travel and tour is, sir, where is the possibility to travel now? People are having fear. Now, traveling to abroad just for relaxing, I am going for 10 days for a foreign trip, that will drastically come down, at least for next 1 year. Going to abroad, other countries. Within the country, going to other states, other provinces will also come down. Only thing, travel industry now need to think out of box after few weeks or few months, how to organize tour within the city. Within the city, say example, I am talking from Chennai. Okay, people also wanted to relax, come out of the stress, staying at continuously home for 3-4 months. They also need a change. But travel and tour agencies or whoever is organizing tour program, they can organize a short distance tour where people will be welcoming after few weeks. Okay, morning 7 o'clock, starting at this common place, you will be back by the same day. There are good chances are there. Coming to the last portion, the most priority, I would say first priority for everyone across the world is, sir, what is this? Yoga. Because now the challenges has given the people idea that they cannot handle it if they don't expose to they don't have any idea about yoga or they are not practicing, difficult to face the challenges. So what is that? Yoga is meant not only for physical fitness and also for mental fitness, or I would say physical, psychological fitness. Above all, it gives confidence to overcome the challenge. Because you practice yoga. So people will be, whoever learned will practice, whoever not learned earlier, they will try to find out the opportunity to learn. So I want to conclude on the first day topic here. Only one line I want to before concluding. Activity for today topic is, for your industry, you have your own consumer. How they will change after the lockdown, post-lockdown, how it will change, how you will prepare for it. This would be the activity you can do yourself so that it will be a preparation. And to conclude, this video, all 7 topics is meant for people who are registered and paid 700 rupees. In case, if you wanted some of your well-wisher friends who are doing business or into business, into various level, if they wanted, you wanted them to get benefited, ask them to enroll, pay and use this video so that everyone is morally responsible. Thank you all for watching first topic.